growth, inclusive development and sustainable development and many more things about the development, economical development. In today's class, let us discuss about that underdevelopment. Yes, what is the meaning of underdevelopment? Underdevelopment means backwardness. Afterwards, it is the stagnant situation of the economics is called what it is underdevelopment. Underdevelopment means what it is backwardness. Underdevelopment means what it is backwardness and stagnant situation. There is no more growth, no fast growth in the economic aspect is called what it is backwardness and underdevelopment. Yes, in many times, many questions rise from this underdevelopment. Is it? What are the causes for the underdevelopment? Why the many more countries are in underdevelopment? Is it? So, what are the features of the underdevelopment likewise? So, what are the features of underdevelopment? What are the causes of underdevelopment? Development is also same. As let us discuss about that. What are the causes for the underdevelopment? Due to the low per capita income. What is it? Due to the low per capita income is the main cause for the underdevelopment. Then next, reducing in the productive activity. What is a low productive activity? No more production activity we can see here. Then high population growth. What is a high population growth or increased population growth is also main cause for the underdevelopment. And the features of this underdevelopment is also the backwardness, poverty, illness. There is no technological growth. Okay, then afterwards what is human resources is also what is no more human resources we can see that is it. Then low per capita income, low national income. Okay, then there is no technological developments. So there is no science and technological developments. These are all features of the what is underdevelopment. What are the causes for the underdevelopment means what is low per capita income. Here the low productivity is called for the low per capita income. So there is no productivity means what happens here? No employment opportunity. No employment opportunity, it means what per capita income is usually decreased. So low per capita income is cause for the underdevelopment. And afterwards, due to the low productivity, is it no? So there is no capital accumulation and less capital investment. Very low, and also the availability of the natural resources is very low. These are all cause for the what is low productivity. Okay, so then afterwards, productivity means producing the goods. That country is not producing the more goods and it is not self-sufficient also. It always what is import the more goods and services. Okay, more goods and services. Technology also it import from the other country because of low productivity. Then underdeveloped country because it is a main cause of the high population growth. What is increasing the population growth? So when the population is increased, similarly the natural resources are not increased. Is it? For that purpose, and land is also not increased. So here what happens? The country is not able to provide or ensure the fundamental needs to its country citizen like the employment opportunity, equal economical distribution. Is it? So it is cause for the backwardness. Okay, what are the causes for the underdevelopment? That is the low per capita income and reducing the per capita what it is productivity. Then third one is the high or more population growth is the main cause for the underdevelopment. Underdevelopment means what a backwardness or stagnant situation. What is stagnant? In the sense neutral situation. There is no more developments we can see here. But what here? What are the features for the underdevelopment is the another question. What is the causes for this? What is low per capita income, low productivity and high population growth is a cause for the underdevelopment. What are the features for the what are the features of the underdevelopment? That is low per capita income, poverty, illness, backwardness, then unemployment, illiteracy. Is it? And technological growth is also very low, population, high population, birth rate is high and death rate is low. So these are all cause for the these are all features of the underdevelopment. Understand? These are all features of the underdevelopment. This is for 2 marks question. What are the causes for the underdevelopment? You should write these 3 points. points. What are the features? Places there is a no development means what happens? Poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, illness, no technological development, more imports, less exports, then birth rate is high, death rate is also very low. These are all features of the underdevelopment. Yes, here according to the UN, United Nations Organization, UN, it is explains about the underdevelopment. It considers that it gives a definition about the underdevelopment. Who real per capita income is lower than USA, Canada, Australia and Western Europe, those countries are considered the underdeveloped countries or developing countries. What is the which country per capita income is low than USA, Canada, Australia and also the Western Europe. So those countries are considered as the underdeveloped countries. Then afterwards, underdeveloped nations are capable to development. That is, underdeveloped countries are capable for the development and they are making the serious effort to overcome. That is, they are making the serious effort to overcome their problems of low income and poverty are the now is called the developing countries. Okay, so these are already we understand that what is the meaning of underdevelopment. Underdeveloped countries, then developing countries means what? Which countries are effort to overcome their problems of the low income and poverty, they are all now called the developing countries. In the sense, which countries are efforting to what is increase their productivity, providing the employment opportunity, eradication of the poverty and increase their income. Those which countries are effort for these efforts. So which countries are efforting for these aspects, that country is called what it is a developing country. Yes, India is also considered nowadays it is the developing country. In the period of the 1990 afterwards India is also increasing its income very highly. So it is the one of the prominent developing country in the world. Nowadays we all consider our country as a prominent developing country because of after the 1990. So our country income is increasing. Okay, why India is considered the prominent developing country is also 1 marks question. Because of India is considering what is one of the prominent developing country from the 1990 it increased its national income, it increased its income. So we consider the India is one of the prominent developing country. As here we can see World Bank is the World Development Report is divide the countries into the 3 parts. First one is the developed, middle, developed and lower. These 3 parts it is the dividing. What is the World Bank is divide the countries into the 3 parts, 3 level. That is the according to the World Development Report. First one is the developed countries and middle, afterwards the lower. Okay, the middle means which is consists with the effort, which are giving the effort for the what is improve their economical status, increasing the income is called what it is developing country. Okay, this is all about the underdevelopment. Underdevelopment means what? The backwardness, stagnant economic situation is called the it is underdevelopment. For causes for the underdevelopment is low per capita income, low productivity and high population growth. Features of the underdevelopment is what is underdeveloping countries. Features is what is poverty, unemployment, more import, less export, more birth rate, in the sense high population, illness, then afterwards there is no more education opportunity to the peoples in the underdeveloped countries. Afterwards very high birth rate, very low death rate, no technological development. These are all the features of the underdeveloped countries. Afterwards they are believing the more superstitious. Then according to the UN, the which countries are less what is income than USA, Canada, Australia, those countries are considered as the underdeveloped countries. And which countries are efforting to enrich their national income, their income, those countries are called the developing countries. According to the World Bank, it is divided in the World Development Report. It makes the 3 parts of the countries, that is the developed, middle and lower developed countries. Okay, so India is the prominent developing country because of from the 1990 it increased its income, so we consider India is the one of the developing country.